In the vast expanse of the cosmos, a blue gem spins, a beacon of life amidst the cosmic dust. This is Earth, our home, a planet teeming with wonders, a testament to the universe's boundless creativity. From the icy poles to the lush rainforests, from the arid deserts to the deep blue oceans, Earth pulsates with life in a symphony of vibrant ecosystems. It is this precious balance, this intricate web of life, that makes our planet so unique, so captivating, and so vital to protect. As we gaze upon our planet from the cold vacuum of space, we are struck by its breathtaking beauty and its apparent fragility. It is a stark reminder of the importance of our role as stewards of this irreplaceable world, a responsibility that rests on the shoulders of every human being. For Earth is not just our home, it is a sanctuary. A shared inheritance that we must cherish and safeguard for generations to come. Over 4.5 billion years ago, our planet was nothing more than a swirling cloud of gas and dust, remnants of a dying star. Gravity, the great architect of the cosmos, slowly drew these particles together, a cosmic dance that would eventually give birth to Earth. As the particles collided, they released heat, transforming the swirling cloud into a molten inferno. Over millions of years, the fiery surface began to cool, forming a thin, brittle crust. Volcanoes erupted, spewing gases and molten rock into the atmosphere, shaping the early landscape. This was a time of intense geological upheaval, a period when the very foundations of our planet were laid. And yet, within this chaos, the seeds of life were already being sown. Deep within the primordial oceans, in the depths of volcanic vents, life first emerged. Tiny single-celled organisms, simple yet resilient, began to harness energy from their surroundings, transforming Earth's atmosphere in the process. These early pioneers, the ancestors of all life on Earth, released oxygen as a byproduct of their metabolism, gradually changing the planet's chemistry. The rise of oxygen was a pivotal moment in Earth's history, paving the way for more complex life forms to evolve. This oxygen-rich atmosphere would eventually give rise to the ozone layer, shielding Earth from the sun's harmful radiation and making it possible for life to flourish on land. The story of life on Earth is a testament to the power of adaptation, resilience, and the interconnectedness of all living things. Around 540 million years ago, life on Earth underwent an extraordinary transformation. In an event known as the Cambrian explosion, life diversified at an unprecedented rate of strange and wonderful. The seabed, their segmented bodies resembling ancient armor. Jellyfish drifted through the water, their tentacles trailing behind them like ghostly apparitions. The oceans became a battleground for survival, with predators evolving alongside their prey in an intricate dance of life and death. From these ancient seas, life began its testament to the relentless drive of evolution to conquer new frontiers. Section 5. From ancient swamps to mighty dinosaurs. As life ventured out of the oceans, it encountered new challenges and opportunities. Plants colonized the land, their roots anchoring them to the soil, their leaves reaching for the sun. Insects, the pioneers of flight, buzzed through the air, their wings carrying them to new heights. And from the humid swamps, a new group of vertebrates emerged, their scaly skin and powerful limbs allowing them to dominate the land for millions of years. Dinosaurs, in all their awe-inspiring diversity, ruled the Earth during the Mesozoic era. From the towering sauropods to the fearsome Tyrannosaurus rex, these creatures captured the imagination, their fossilized remains providing a glimpse into a lost world. Their reign, however, was not to last forever. Section 6. A new era begins, the rise of mammals. The age of dinosaurs came to a cataclysmic end 66 million years ago, likely caused by a massive asteroid impact. The impact triggered widespread wildfires, tsunamis, and a global dust cloud that plunged the Earth into darkness. This mass extinction event, while devastating, paved the way for the rise of mammals. Small and adaptable mammals had lived in the shadows of the dinosaurs. Their time to shine had finally come. With the dinosaurs gone, mammals diversified rapidly, evolving into a wide array of shapes and sizes. Some, like the ancestors of whales and dolphins, returned to the oceans, while others took to the trees or burrowed underground. Among them were the earliest primates, our distant ancestors, their nimble fingers and keen eyesight giving them an edge in the changing world. Section 7. Humanity's entrance, a species awakens. Millions of years passed, and from the lineage of primates, a new species emerged, Homo sapiens. With their large brains and capacity for language, humans possessed a unique ability to shape their environment and impact the world around them. They developed tools, mastered fire, and formed complex social structures. They created art, told stories, and looked up at the stars, questioning their place in the cosmos. Human curiosity and ingenuity knew no bounds, driving them to explore every corner of the globe, from the frozen Arctic to the depths of the rainforest. But this remarkable journey of discovery came at a cost, for as humans spread across the planet, their impact on the natural world intensified. Section 8. A planet in peril, the human impact. For millennia, humans lived in relative harmony with nature, their impact on the environment minimal. However, the Industrial Revolution marked a turning point in human history, ushering in an era of unprecedented technological advancement and economic growth. Factories sprang up, spewing smoke into the atmosphere, while vast tracts of forest were cleared to make way for agriculture and urbanization. The consequences of this rapid industrialization are now becoming all too apparent. Climate change, driven by the burning of fossil fuels, is warming the planet at an alarming rate, leading to more extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and disruptions to ecosystems around the world. Pollution chokes our cities, plastic waste chokes our oceans, and countless species are being driven to the brink of extinction. Section 9. A call to action towards a sustainable future. The challenges facing our planet are daunting, but we must not succumb to despair. We have the knowledge, the technology, and the resources to chart a more sustainable path forward, to create a world where both people and nature can thrive. The time for complacency is over, the time for action is now. We must transition to cleaner sources of energy, reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, and invest in renewable energy technologies like solar, wind, and geothermal power. We must embrace sustainable practices in all aspects of our lives, from the food we eat to the products we consume. We must reduce our waste, recycle more, and support businesses that prioritize environmental responsibility. And we must protect our planet's precious biodiversity, conserving forests, restoring degraded ecosystems, and working to mitigate the impacts of climate change. Section 10. The power of unity, small steps, big impact. The task may seem overwhelming, but it is important to remember that every individual action, no matter how small, can make a difference. By making conscious choices in our daily lives, by reducing our carbon footprint, by supporting sustainable businesses, and by advocating for change, we can collectively create a ripple effect that will be felt across the globe. We must also remember that we are not alone in this endeavor. Governments, businesses, communities, and individuals all have a role to play in building a more sustainable future. By working together, sharing knowledge, and supporting each other, we can overcome the challenges ahead and create a world where future generations can inherit a healthy and thriving planet. Section 11. A legacy of hope for generations to come. The story of Earth is still being written. The choices we make today will determine the fate of our planet and the well-being of generations to come. Let us choose wisely, let us act boldly, and let us leave a legacy of hope for the future. Let us write a story of resilience, of innovation, and of collective action. A story where humanity rediscovers its place within the web of life, not as conquerors, but as caretakers of this precious and irreplaceable planet we call home.